Hello friends, welcome to Pooja's Recipes. Today I am going to show you a potato sabji made with spring onions, that is green onions. It's a very interesting recipe, it can be made quickly in 15 to 20 minutes and tastes very nice. Let me show you the ingredients. These are 5 medium-sized potatoes which I have cut into small pieces, 3 tomatoes, 1 big piece of ginger and 1 green chili, 3 bunches of spring onions. Everything is washed thoroughly. Then another thing we are going to need is jeera, cumin seeds, turmeric powder, haldi, red chili powder, coriander powder and salt and oil to make the sabji. Now I'm going to start making the vegetable. I have started the flame now. I'm going to add almost 3 teaspoons of oil, going to add 2 spoons of cumin seeds, that is jeera, and let the seeds splutter. It's medium flame. After that I am going to add these diced potatoes. I'm going to toast these potatoes for next 2 to 3 minutes in this jeera and oil for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah. I've cooked these potatoes, roasted them for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt in this. For now. Little bit if you need, then we can add later. Let's toss it. See, these are a bit roasted. They are a little bit brownish also. So now I'm going to take these potatoes out in a separate bowl. Now these potatoes I have taken them out. Now I'm going to again start the flame. And this is the white part of these green onions, white bulb. These are the back leaves. I have kept them separate here. And this is the front part which I have chopped finely. Now I'm going to add this to this oil. Mix for 1 to 2 minutes. I'll keep mixing them so they don't stick in the pan. Just for next 1 more minute. Then I'm going to add these potatoes in this. I'm going to add these potatoes to this white bulb of the spring onions and mix it. I'm going to add other spices, a bit of more salt, haldi, turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. This coriander powder gives it a very nice taste. So I always add more to the sabjis. I'm going to mix it for next 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'm going to add chopped tomatoes. Just first keep the flame high and toss for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to cover this for 3-4 minutes. Going to cover it and keep it on a medium flame. Yes, already been 3-4 minutes. Now I'm going to open this and just mix it once more. These potatoes are cooked with dry spices. Now I'm going to add these finely chopped tomatoes. Yeah, these are 3 medium-sized tomatoes. And also I'm going to add 1 green chili and make the flame high. I've also chopped ginger with the tomatoes. I'm going to cook this on high flame for 2 minutes. I have cooked this for 3 to 4 minutes now on high flame. See? Now the next step would be, I'm going to cover these potatoes and let them cook for next 2 to 3 minutes, like until they are almost cooked. Then we are going to add finally the spring onions, the green leaves, green part. I'm going to cover it again and just leave it on slow flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's check whether these potatoes are almost cooked. We'll just prick a knife. Yeah, it seems it's almost cooked. So now we are going to add this final ingredient, which is spring onion, these green part. We're going to mix properly. This color has also absolutely changed. It gives a nice and fresh green color to this and very nice flavor again. These are finely chopped. I'm going to mix this and bus. Only this, we need to just cook it for next 2 minutes so that these green leaves get properly cooked with these potatoes. This looks wonderful and smells also very nice. So I'm going to cover this and then sabji is going to be ready in 2 minutes. Let's check the potatoes. It's been 2-3 minutes already now. These are fully cooked now. They look so nice. They are fully cooked with these green spring onions, all the spices and tomatoes. So I'm going to switch off the flame now. And this yummy sabji is ready to serve. Yeah, I've plated this sabji now. It's ready to serve. You can enjoy it with parathas, roti or naan. It tastes yummy. Please comment and let me know if you like this sabji, and please try it. I hope you liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.